I'm JP.
And I'm Riza.
And welcome to another episode of
Pep Talk! So here with us today are Andre and Barbie. Na puno-puno na energy.
Yes!
Wala ka eh.
Nakapanood kayong dalawa ngayon sa ano?
That's my Amboy!
Hindi na kayo basta napapanood kasi di ba 2 months na kayong on air?
Yes.
At ang taas ng ratings. So
Oo.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Oo.
Barbie.
Amboy!
Thank you. Thank you.
Hindi, Amboy eh. Amboy, di ba?
Ikaw kaya dyan. It's just the name pero ikaw.
Totoo ba?
Yes, it's real. Totoo. Trending tayo kasi.
Diba?
Ang pogi mo eh.
Ang bongga nun kasi. Pero yun nga, ang bongga nun kasi from the Half Sisters na sobrang haba din.
At dramatic
Oh,
talaga.
dramatic ngayon, light
Ben,
naman.
sumaba din ba to? Why?
Yes! Mas mahaba to.
Mas mahaba doon. Charot.
3 years, 4 years.
Oo, mga ganon.
Why
Mas mahaba sa Half Sisters. Pero ano, can you refresh din naman yung mga Pepsters natin kung tungkol saan nga ulit ang That's My Amboy at ano na ang mga nangyayari ngayon.
Well,
Joke lang. That's why Amboy, it's basically about this actor, Brian Ford. I play him, Brian Ford. He's an actor and pretty much sikat siya here in the Philippines. And then there came a point na he was such a brat. He was just like a pabaya. This stuntman got into an accident. And that stuntman was the only one who was able to provide for the family. So happens yung anak niya is Barbie. And siya naman, what she does is she also works on the set. She sells pancit, she sells food.
ang galing.
So to the point na nung na-accident yung tatay, my manager helped her out, look for a job. So she became my PA.
Yun. So doon na nag-start yung cancelled relationship na.
Pero in real life, paano kayo? Parang napaka-komportable niyo sa isa't isa.
No, we're not.
Actually, hindi kasi naman, sabi nyo rin naman po, matagal ang half sisters.
Yes.
So almost every day kaming dalawa lang din yung magkasama. Hindi naman mahirap kasama si Andre. Masaya siyang kasama. Sobrang kulit niya. Pag nasa mood.
Oh, in the
Pag nasa mood. Oo.
Oh.
Ito naman si Barbie, always in the mood. Kaya when I'm not in the mood, I'm like, sige na, in the mood na rin ako.
Thank you naman
Oh naman, you're always high energy. Nakakahawa kaya.
Sobra.
Kaya,
Contagious.
Ayun o. O see?
Kaya, mabilis kaming naging okay. Ayun. Kaya lang, syempre, kailangan ko siya bigyan ng space kasi...
What? Anong space?
Hindi! Sabi, kasi malay ko ba kung lagi kang nasa mood makipag...
I am. It's just like, whatever. No, kasi minsan ako like, antok, pero gets.
Not a morning person.
No, I'm a morning person kasi nagka-coffee na ako, di ba?
Ayun.
Yes.
Ayun. Oo, yes.
But I'm saying na pag natutulog ako, I can still hear your conversation. Yeah.
So, buti na lang parang nag-pep talk na lamay mo, Barbie.
Oo, Barbie.
Pero not yung mga good ones, yung mga... lahat ng positive yung mga kwento.
Okay.
Ayun.
Kinabahan ka.
Kasi,
So, na-influence mo siya maging morning person? Anong
morning person.
I mean, maging energetic or mag-coffee?
Oo.
Anong na-influence sa'yo ni Andre dun sa working, relationship for the longest time? Oh.
Wala. I learned from Barbie.
ano ba? Hindi lagi niya sinasabi sa akin tungkol sa fitness. Hindi ko lang siya mag-gets ha. Maganda ang carbs. Kung
No,
mababurn mo.
kung mababurn. Yeah.
Hindi ko siya mababurn.
Ayun lang, oo.
Yun nga, maybe because I'm an athlete na kahit
Yeah.
kumakain lang maraming carbs.
Ayun, yun ang mahirap. Yun,
Kaya yung the other people who listen to me, carbs lang carbs, pero hindi nag-work. Andre, what did you do? I'm sorry. Dapat nag-gym.
Ikaw pa yung na-blame.
Kaya,
Na-end mo kasi dun sa good
uy,
carbs are good for
nag-gain
you.
ako. Kala ko mag-lose. You're supposed to burn it, not keep it in you.
Natutunan
In-advise
ko
ka.
yun, pero hindi ko siya nagagawa lately. Yun.
Okay lang yun, Barbie.
Hindi.
Go.
Hindi talaga eh.
Sa show.
So, ayun. Kasi, magto 2 years na kayo magka-trabaho, di ba? So,
Bigyan
parang,
mo tayo.
Huh? 2 years?
Magka-work!
Yeah, work!
Ay, may mga side
Kailangan complete sentence. Nakakaloka naman, oh. Diyos ko naman. Ay,
Pero ano, parang, kasi sa Half Sisters, medyo heavy yun. Actually, hindi medyo heavy talaga
Heavy.
siya. Pero ito, very light. So parang paano kayo
Transition.
nagkaroon ng transition, lalo na parang 2 weeks lang yung pagitan, di ba?
Parang wala. It's just like,
Na-workshop kami.
once
One
na
time.
with
Yes.
Coach Jay.
Mm-mm.
And-
Na malaking tulong siya for us para nga ma-loosen up yung ano namin, yung emotions namin.
Ma-shake off.
Tsaka, feeling ko maganda ring move yun kasi hindi man kami napahinga, kumbaga lagi man kami napanood. Iba naman. Ibang
Like different, how do you say it? It's like different way of,
Oo.
different character. Pero yung nakakatawa kaya doon, ano, like nung workshop, di ba, kahit comedy pinapagawa, drama pa rin natin.
Oo! Ang hirap din.
That's hard.
Mag-transition.
Well, for her, kasi.
Pero ano, parang sa characters nyo, most especially ikaw, Andre, kasi you're playing an actor. So parang gaano ka-close sa inyo
Yung roles.
characters na pinoportray nyo?
I am not Brian Ford!
Promise?
Yeah, hindi ako snob.
Oh.
Ano, I mean like, mapagmahal naman ako in real life. I mean like, si Brian kasi, yung ginagawa niya, he hides his feelings sa parents, sa relationship. Kasi he wants everything to be okay. Kumbaga, yung pain, tinatago niya. Kasi as much as possible, gusto niya parating okay lahat ng tao. Pero deep inside, napupuno na rin siya. Eh, I'm not that type of person kasi
Ano ka
very
ba?
vocal.
Ano ka ba? Pag may pain, anong how do you do the pain?
I don't know. I let it all out, I guess.
Hoy, hindi totoo!
Ay,
I do!
Bakit? Bakit nag-object,
Objection si
Barbie?
Barbie!
Anong
Abi,
alam mo
I
na
didn't
hindi
talk about
namin
it.
alam?
What do you know? Sige, go. I will,
Ayaw.
Ay, spill the beans.
Yes, spin it!
Hindi!
Puno na. Oo, go do it.
Ba't ka nag-object?
Eto ha, hindi... Sa tagal naman kasi natin ang magkasama. Kahit naman hindi mo sabihin or hindi mo pakita, nakikita ko naman sa'yo pag okay ka, pag hindi ka okay. So, kaya minsan, hindi kita kinakausap. Kasi kasi parang anytime gaganunin mo ako.
Hindi naman. Ako dula. Hindi ka ba?
So, yun.
So, sensitive ka sa ano niya, actions niya. Alam mo na kung
Actually,
kailan
oo.
ka hindi masyado magiging makulit and all.
Sa kanya. Kasi,
Ikaw din.
You can always naman eh. I'm just like, I feel like I'm the bad person here. I'm not like that, okay? Please!
sinasabi ko
Please
lang
get me in your
na-
other shows, okay? I don't have an attitude.
Masarap ka kasing alagaan.
Oh!
Oo.
Wait, as Maru? Brian or as...
As Andre?
Characters pa ba yung pinag-uusapan?
Nasaan
Are we
na?
characters ba to?
Hindi, di ba?
This question was about characters kanina. And then you were...
How close?
Real
How
life!
close din
How
naman in
close
real
ka
life?
sa real life? Oh.
Yo, see?
Oh. So kumbaga, it's like
Mali!
you're mali.
Hindi, kasi kanina di ba tinanong ko, ano ba si Andre? So, doon na tayo sa totoo.
Sounds wrong but feels right.
Hindi yung ganon. Basta, pag feeling ko, pwede ko siya kausapin, kinakausap ko siya. Pero never ko naman siya tinanong. Yun.
Are you in pain?
Hindi! Sinasabi ko lang na gusto kong kinocomfort ka kahit hindi ko alam kung bakit kita kinocomfort.
Oh.
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 Friendship
Friend-
feels.
Friendship feels?
Friendship nga.
Goals.
Yun.
Pero,
Sige, na si Barbie, yung role mo, gaano ka close sa totoo?
mukhang maalaga din nga
Oo
kasi
nga
talaga.
eh.
Sa totoong buhay lang po talaga, artista ako, pero yung ugali ni Maru, ganun-ganun po talaga.
Oh.
Ganun.
Very
Na,
close.
sobrang hyper, sobrang ano.
So effortless.
Actually,
is.
pero yun lang part na yun. Tsaka doon sa pamilya, very close naman ako sa family ko, ganyan. Pero, since rom-com siya, hindi ganun. As Barbie.
Oh.
medyo, ano eh. Ang ganda kasi ni Maru. Dalawang artista talaga, nag-aagawan sa kanya. Hindi
Bakit
naman ganun si Barbie.
Oh,
Walang
parang
ano.
hindi naman. Joke lang.
Wala eh.
Chinika pa.
Nga tayo eh.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So ito, Andre, so ano masabi mo na parang left and right, TV or movies, meron kang project.
Yes, Pressman.
I'm really, what?
Oh!
Iba talaga.
Actually, I like it.
Excuse me.
No, of course, I'm really happy because, well, I see it as of entertaining people. I always love doing that. Ever since I wasn't, into showbiz, I'd like to make people laugh, like to entertain, and that was my goal in life. Maybe to become a director or movie maker or anything behind the camera. And knowing that I was given this opportunity to be in a movie and also in a teleserye, it's like, for me, I'm like learning at the same time, like learning tips from directors and actors and everything to become a better person in this industry. And when it came to these two things, the movie and teleserye, of course, they're two different things.
Yeah.
It's not easy. And they're both hard. It's all hard work. And I'm really happy because I see it as entertaining people and learning people and also being able to have a close bond with another artist, diba? And people might, people be like comparing, and I don't like that to happen. Kasi naman, we both make it clear naman na it's for us to entertain people. And it's really nice to know that there are people who understand. And I understand naman, may mga nagagalit na parang, uy, bakit kasama mo siya o kasama ka dito?
Yeah.
Well, I guess for me, it's showbiz, it's a business,
Yes.
and that's how I understand it. I'm sorry na it's a business for us to entertain people, and we're doing everything we can to entertain you. So sana man, huwag kayo magalit. So in other words, I see it I feel really happy about it. Blessed. So yeah.
Oh, very well
Oh,
said.
very well said.
So with the projects that you were doing, parang what's your dad say? Parang sa acting mo, does he commend you and
Oh, with
all
that, he just tells me to listen to, be yourself. That's what I do. And then when you're yourself, that's when the director comes in to tell you what to do. So in other words, just listen to yung mga directions ng director because sila like your second family, your second parents. And they're more of the head, they're the boss. So when you're like the person working, you have to listen to the boss. And that's pretty much it because they know what's best for you. Because for me, I don't know what's best for me yet. So it's better to know from the people who are experienced, like Barbie and other actors and actresses. It's good to ask for tips. I don't want to be like, alam ko na to. That's kind of, not on cocky, it's more of like, it's best to know, but like, from the best. Yeah.
does Kobe watch your films and your show?
Yeah, he does. Apparently, they don't show the movies in the States. So, pag may copy, I send it to him. And then, yun nga, yung Pinoy TV, meron sila sa States. Kaya Kobe would send me photos like, hey, I see you, or oh my gosh, you have a beard, or you're crying. I don't remember my brother being like that. But like, it's pretty cool. And then, ako do the same with him. Since I only see him sa YouTube, that's right. Do the same and be like, oy, gwapo ka pa rin kapag naglalaro. Yeah, that's all I can say. But, yeah.
So are you excited to see him when you go to
I'm very, very excited to see it because it's been a long time that I haven't seen him. And I really want to, spend time with him kasi importante sa akin na I get to see him kasi kahit ako lang makita niya, okay lang kasi it's still family. Then hopefully next time, ibang family member naman,
That's sweet.
Ayun.
Naantig ako.
Oo, naantig din ako.
Yeah.
Pero going to medyo serious note lang. Kasi, alam niyo, are you aware na yung mga nangyayari ngayon na parang may ongoing na, anong tawag doon? Parang petition na parang yung cut
Yung work
off sa work
hours.
hours
Yes,
ng...
yes.
Oh.
So parang anong take?
Oh, yeah,
mo
what's
doon?
your say about it?
May cut off ba kayo?
Wala.
Wala.
Pero, kung sakali man, gusto rin namin. Pero hindi lang para sa
Not for us.
artista. Kasi when you're on the set po, hindi lang naman artista yung makikita nyo dun eh. May staff, may crew, na after pack-up, na kahit na anong oras, kahit maaga or late, may iba pa silang aasikasuhin. They would return the equipment sa
Home
studio
base.
o wherever, ganyan. At least kami, mga artista, magpapahinga na kami after nun. Sila marami pa silang ginagawa. So, yung cut-off, it's not kaartehan. It's more concerned kami.
Yeah.
Hindi lang para sa health namin, kung hindi din para sa lahat. sa lahat ng nasa set.
Yeah, that's important. Kasi sometimes all they see is like actors and then with their cut-offs. Pero what you don't see minsan nakakaawa na since taping namin it's more of like MWF, sila everyday sila kasi they also have other rackets and other shows. Kasi iba schedule Tuesday, Thursday. So you'd see the same people and when you see them, they look so tired more than us. Pero and they deserve rest also naman. You know, they make things possible. Kaya sila naman, it's gonna be for them also. So if ma-implement man sa amin, we will accept it, not just for us, but for the other people who are also, you know, working more hours than us.
And yan, dahil naman ngayon, summer na.
Summer!
Summer na?
O dahil gumanyan ka na, ready na ba kayo? Are your bodies ready for
Yeah, I'm
summer?
ready.
You'll be wearing
tago.
Yeah. Tago.
So ano mo plans for this summer?
Work.
Work. Work before pleasure. Or why not both?
O minsan, pag meron naman kaming summer episode sa That's My Amboy.
Ay.
Saya.
So, segue na lang din
Oo,
doon yung vacation.
buhog na yun.
Yeah.
Pero if given a chance, parang saan nyo gusto pumunta talaga for summer? Any dream destinations?
Anywhere.
Baler.
Surfing?
Sure ba there? I wanna go to Bohol. Huh? Wala, just like Balears B, but wala lang.
So, para bilang din.
No, I'm saying, I find Bohol cool, I like the beach there, and yung mga peanut butter kisses na.
Yeah.
That's where I fell in love with it. Tarshiers all this much.
Masarap.
No, I mean like, it's nice. I like the Tarshiers. Like, I wish I could have a pet one. Trying out their endangered species. I'm just proud to be Pinoy. Like,
We have this small creature.
Napasama na naman siya.
hey, I don't eat anything else but real cooked food. Like, I go to work on time, you know. I don't fight with anyone.
Feeling na ng bad guy na naman.
Uy,
That's my
hindi.
character. Brian Ford is the bad guy, not me.
Ayun, ako sa Baler kasi tahimik dun eh. Tsaka hindi pa siya, kumbaga hindi siya like...
Tahimik. Pero if you're, no, I'm just kidding.
Parang
So, parang
It's gonna be so noisy when you're there. Like, this is why we're here for peace and quiet.
Barbie! Trending.
boy ka!
Barbie nag-ingay sa baler.
That's a good movie. Barbie in Baler. Where's the laugh coming from?
Hindi kasi walang... Ano dun eh, hindi pa siya kasing kakilala ng Bora at Palawan, ganyan. So, pwede akong...
Mag-ingay.
This is my place.
Doon ka
I
pwede
bring
mag-
laughter here.
Walang nakakakilala sa akin doon. Yun na lang.
Imposible.
Tawa mo pa lang eh. That's Barbie! Take over!
Seryoso, tapos ang ganda ng alon. Tapos isang isang halera ng resorts.
Nice.
So kung gusto ko lang talaga ng
Doon ka pupunta.
na malakas ang internet.
Ay.
Ay, kailan? Siya na parang mapag-Instagram.
Kala ko malakas na tao.
Sabi ko.
Okay, I'll stop now. It was actually a good, it's a compliment.
Compliment.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So, now that you're in showbiz, sino yung mga kinakonsider mga showbiz best friends nyo? Or friends? In particular, na talagang you can count on anytime.
Like,
Yeah.
let's see. I'll go with Barbie.
What?
Yeah. Yeah, super. It's really fun. Kasi if you think about it, like, I don't know anyone else na matagal ako in showbiz with. Like, I mean, yeah, there's the movie we did in Daring Pangit. Pero like, when it comes to like this network, when you, I mean, because I understood you as like, it's a showbiz network.
Yeah.
It's more of people you work with and people you understand and people who make you a better actor and a person at the same time. Of course, I'd go with Barbie.
Ayun.
Ikaw, Barb. Paano? Ang haba naman ng buhok mo.
Guys, aray.
Apakan ko ata.
Oh,
So,
It's okay. It's okay. Alam ko naman sino mong best friend mo. It's okay. Ako, ikaw lang. I don't mind if you say me. I mean, para like, kilig. Pero like,
Pwede nga ako muna.
yeah, yun na alam kita eh.
kailangan mo daw kasi sagutin na siya din yung best friend mo.
Ano, sagutin na ba kita? Na ikaw mismo.
Kawalan.
Lutang! Hindi, si Andre din. Kasi nga hindi naman kami magiging ganitong ka-close kung hindi kami laging magkasama.
Yes.
So, parang naging ano ko na rin siya, sounding board. Nandi kasi,
What's a sounding
eto,
board?
to.
Haba na.
May cat died. Si Be. Wala akong time nun na umuwi para ilibing siya. So, sila mama lang. So, nasa set ako nun, iyak ako ng iyak. So, lumabas kami. In-invite niya ako ng dinner. Ganyan. Yun. So, tinreat niya ako ng dinner.
Yeah.
Friendship goals.
I don't know. You went like up your bayad, so like, ganun natin. Oh, so I hurt you. I'm sorry.
Yun. Kaya, in a way, parang...
So, nandun siya nung lowest point mo.
Kumbaga kasi yun na yung magagawa ko na parang makalimutan like for a while. Kasi hindi pa rin po tapos yung taping nun nung nalaman ko. So, ayun, sobrang na-appreciate ko na tinreat niya ako.
Oh. So sweet. Ikaw ba, meron ka ng something na ganyan to that extent na nagawa for Andre?
Meron ba?
Coffee.
That's all I remember. I don't think, hindi ko nga alam kung coffee, and it's more of like, here's my secret potion why I'm so energetic. It's like, okay, different container. But yeah, I mean, like, kidding aside, it's more of like, I guess her presence itself means a lot now. Kasi I feel that it's just not me that gets inspired to work or gets, nakakakaw talaga yung energy. It's more of the other crew members, even Direk. Like, I thought Direk was also always quiet, but like, she also is happy. And it's fun kasi like, when you see them clash or in a way na talk, sorry, in a good way, it's more when you talk or give ideas. It's like, wow, you guys are clicking, and then Barbie's so young, and then like, I know it doesn't matter, but like, it's amazing because Barbie can be for anyone. Like, she can connect with anyone, and that's rare for me to see. Because sometimes people opt not to open themselves to people they don't know yet. So that's Barbie. So like, wow, she can do that, and she can it's like mind control thing, but.
Hindi kasi para sa akin naman, basta willing naman makinig. Marami kasi akong sinasabi, kahit nonsense.
Kahit tulog ako, I'm just like, I'm listening, I'm here.
Kaya kung willing naman makinig,
Isa-set
sobrang, gusto ko naman talaga mag-open up. Yun.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Goals talaga.
So, ayan,
Dahil dyan, kasi masyado tayong masaya,
masyado.
lalo nating pasayahin.
Meron.
Pep Talk Challenge! Okay, sige, game.
Ito na talaga, ito na yun. Ito ang ating
Pep Talk Challenge!
So, ayun, Ate Riza,
Quick
what's
lang
our
to,
challenge?
not napakadali.
Oo, very easy.
Pero we'll give names lang or mga bagay. Tig 5 kayo. Then you'll give a perfect hashtag for it. So, ha-hashtagan nyo.
Yung sa Instagram yung mga hashtags. ganun.
For
Ang galing mo dito eh!
Oh no! Captions ako. I don't use hashtags. Recently lang ginagamit ko yun.
Okay.
So, ayun. So, sino kaya ang mauuna sa
Ano kayo, para sino mauna?
What? Wait, go. What? Go pick now. Go pick.
Ang dami nilang
Go,
inside
go.
jokes sa
What? Pick now, go. What? One. Pick now. Isang ganun, isang bagsak lang. Ganun bagsak. One. Game. O ganun. Yung ganun, like.
Sino manalo siya magde-decide kung sino
May
mauna?
panalo kaya ka lang. One. Isang ganun lang ha. One. Ako!
Okay, show na. Show na.
So, sino mauna? Ikaw?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Okay. O, ito muna. Simula, huwag na tayo masyadong lumayo.
Kailangan paanda rin ako.
Bigyan mo ng hashtag si Thea Tolentino.
Oh
Your
my God!
Sister, your half-sister.
Hashtag anime. Hashtag J-pop.
Ay, mahilig siya sa J-pop.
Sobra. As in, kung mag-open up ako sa kanya tungkol sa pagkain, sabi, alam mo yung Japanese restaurant. Japan na naman! Tinutuwa siya nung nag-Japan kami.
Oo, sa half-sisters.
Ayun.
Itong next. Derek Monasterio. Oo. Ay, yung unang ka-love team before Andre.
Hashtag kilay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Andre yun na-conscious.
Hindi kasi ano naman, bagay naman sa'yo.
So, hindi bagay.
Napapasama ako.
I didn't say anything.
Ano? Hashtag ano?
Don't look at me!
Hashtag abs. Yun na lang.
Ayun.
Pero hindi naman nag-a-apply yung sinabi ko kanina.
Huh? Yung, ako na naman na may abs.
Oo nga!
Absolutely none.
Ang witty na na.
Kaya nga, parang ikaw may abs.
Hashtag
Sigurado ba
list!
yan?
Pala si Derek.
Oh! May list siya.
Hindi. Hindi ko napansin.
Half sisters.
Talaga?
Ayaw niya kaminin.
Ate sa'yo, alam na nilang lahat. May hashtag list.
Oh, ito, next. Rian Ramos.
Oh my God.
The young, ay, the older Jody.
Yeah. Hashtag goals. Hashtag bot goals.
Dahil sa post niya nung the other day.
Racing skills goals.
Ultimate goal.
Girl crush.
Si Rian.
crush. Yeah.
Oh, ito. Laot.
Ano, surreal experience doing the movie and the award. Surreal.
Bongga. Dahil best actress yan.
Correct. Talaga
Ay,
naman
pala.
surreal yun.
Hindi ko na bilang pang 5 na ba yun?
Hindi, ito na ang pang 5. Andre.
Who's that? Oh, ako pala. Yo.
Ano na lang.
Ay,
Sige,
Ay.
gulo mo. Gulo.
ay talaga. May alam kami. May alam kami, hindi mo alam. Okay, it's
Okay.
Andre's turn.
Okay.
Okay. Hashtag for your brother Kobe.
Hashtag... Anong hashtag?
Any.
Hashtag... Hashtag... Sibling goal.
Yeah.
Hashtag... Wish I was like you. Hashtag... Hashtag... I miss you.
Oh.
Hashtag... You look like me. So,
Ayun naman.
yeah.
For your dad, Benji Perez.
Hashtag for hashtag I love you. Hashtag thank you for everything. Hashtag thank you for the sacrifices. And hashtag I look like you.
You look like yan. For Yasi.
Oh, actually, so hashtag good dancer. Hashtag hardworking. Hashtag caring.
For Jadeen, James and Nadine.
Hashtag I'm so proud of you. Hashtag why didn't you tell me? No, hashtag I already knew it from the start. And hashtag my forever. Yeah.
And lastly, Barbie.
Nakakainis eh! Saan ka pupunta?
Whisper.
May lapel ka.
Ang ngapal! Can I have your number? Let's text. Lagay ko sa Twitter. Hashtag and you know what it means. Okay, fine. What did Barbie say ba? No, ay wala. Ano natin?
May certain amount.
Paano ba? Paano ba to?
What'd she say?
Narinig mo din? Ano ba naman sasabihin ba natin?
Hindi, hint lang. Pero wag
Hashtag C.
Oo, hash.
Okay,
Wow, parang alam mo na ako
okay.
to.
Hindi ko lang.
Grabe.
Ano yun? Pwede ba ako humingi na ng hint? Ano yun daw sabi niya?
Hashtag M.
M. Meron na naman tayong alam na hindi nila alam.
So, hashtag C for Barbie, hashtag M yung sinabi ni Andre for Barb. So wala, hayaan nyo na kung ano yun. So secret.
Nalaman natin sa ano.
So na-stress kayong dalawa.
This is supposed to be fun. It is fun. I'm stressed now. Joke lang.
Pero if you'll give a hashtag for your love team, ano yun?
Hashtag goals.
Goals ko. Hashtag. Unpredictable.
Unbelievable.
No, wait! You know, unbelievable. Yeah, you're so nice. I'll give that.
Witty, eh.
Yeah, I'll give that to you.
Okay, guys, it was fun. So invite everybody to...
Unbelievable. Super smart. I was thinking unpredictable, but I was kind of, you know what I mean. You're right. I was nice.
Galing nun, Barbie. Yun ang i-hashtag nyo lagi. Picture nyo.
Alright.
So yeah, invite everybody to watch That's My
Amboy.
Go.
Hey guys, don't forget to watch That's My Amboy Monday to Friday after Little Nanay. That's around 8:30 or 8:40 p.m. at night.
Directed by Binibining Joyce Bernal.
And your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter accounts.
You can stalk me at Andre Paras. You guys can follow me or unfollow me on Andre Paras on Instagram or on Twitter, Andre Paras95.
Yan, ako po sa Instagram at Barbara Forteza. On Twitter at
Deal with
JJ.
Barbie.
Ang JJ.
Just deal with it!
Kasi ginawa ko po yung bago pa ako mag-article. Yung nag-explain pa rin ako.
May
We have time.
pag-explain.
We have
Deal
a watch.
with Barbie. Ayun, ang Twitter ko. Yung Snapchat ko, ginawa ko ng Twitter ko. Kasi article.
So, ayun.
Thank you, Barbie and Andrew.
Thank you.
Ay, come on.
Oh my God, you're good at it! Fine!
Di pa siya nagkakape ng lagay na yan.
Unbeater ko naman. No, I'm not. What's the...